Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dust to Shine. My name is Veronica and I do cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. I would love for you to subscribe so that we can share tips, hacks, and cleaning ideas. Today I am not cleaning my own house. I am at my sister's house. She is a mom of 4 kids and her youngest is almost 2 years old. She also works full-time outside of her home and maintaining a cleaning routine has been difficult for her lately. Today we're going to be cleaning her stove. Like you can see, she has layers of caked on burnt stains and grease stains. To clean the stove, I am going to need the following: a sponge, a razor blade, glass cleaner, cooktop cleaner, dish soap, and paper towels. The first thing I'm going to do is use dish soap so that I can clean as much of the caked on layers with a sponge. Now with my paper towel, I am cleaning off the dish soap so that I can see how much of the burnt grease actually came off. And like you can see, it was coming off, but it was very caked on. And here I am showing you more of an up-close look so that you can see how the stovetop is coming along. Now I'm going to use this cooktop cleaner, and with a sponge I'm going to be scrubbing, and little by little I will be adding the cleaner around the burners. Now with my glass cleaner, I am going to be removing the cooktop cleaner. Now that I have wiped down my cooktop, it's time to start using the razor blade to start removing the layers of caked on grease. Here I am using dish soap again and spreading it all over the burners. You can use any dish soap that you have on hand, but I prefer to use Dawn because it works well on cutting grease. Now that I am doing the deep cleaning of this cooktop, maintaining it clean will be so easy. I recommend that after every use, give it a quick wipe down, and with a little bit of dish soap and a sponge, Remove anything that might have spilled. It will only take you a few minutes and it will save you so much time in the long run. Here you can see I have about one more layer to go. Almost everything is coming off with my razor blade. So to remove this last layer, I'm going to be using white vinegar and baking soda. I spread the baking soda directly over the cooktop, and with a spray bottle, I sprayed the vinegar. With my sponge, I scrubbed away, and lastly, with my razor blade, I removed the last of the layers. It was so satisfying to see how everything was coming right off. Honestly, if you have never used vinegar and baking soda to clean, you are missing out on a good cleaning product. These two products combined together work wonders. I am almost done. You will not believe how this cooktop turned out. Here in a few minutes, I will be showing you the final product. And this is how the cooktop turned out. The white stains are because of the pots and pans that my sister uses to cook, and I could not remove them. If someone out there knows how to remove them, please leave me a tip in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video and spending some time with me. I will see you in the next one.